Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily enable emoji on your iPhone keyboard. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes below the video, write comments. And friends, let us get started with you. So I'm going to show you what the lack of emoji can look like. See, when you have a keyboard, but here, right down here on both sides, there's no emoji sign. It can be frustrating, it can get in the way, because now in today's world emoji is used by a lot of people in a lot of places. If you've accidentally turned it off, or someone's given you a phone that's already turned off, I'm going to show you how you can turn it back on now in half a minute. Okay friends, first of all, on your iPhone, open the settings, and then scroll down and find this general option here. And then here you'll find the keyboard. And at the top click on all keyboards. So here you'll see a list of the keyboards that you've added, which languages they've been added in. And in order for you to connect emoji, click on Add New Keyboard. Then you can just type the word emoji into the search box and click on it. Now friends, you can exit already from the settings. And as you can see, instantly the emoji symbol appears at the bottom. Completely all of them. You don't have to worry that something will be missing. All the emoji will be there, and you can easily use them. This is the way, very simple and easy, you can quickly enable emoji on your iPhone keyboard. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also write your comments and be sure to put your likes below the video. Bye-bye.